Okay, so what I mean by using cell references is instead of typing in numbers, I want you to click on the cell that has the number you want to use. So for instance, here's our goods available for sale. We sold 7 units. We've got 5 units in ending inventory. We were under FIFO. Well, actually, this would be wrong if we were under FIFO. So if we were under FIFO, the units that we would have left would be the last units. So the 5 units in ending inventory would have each cost $6. So that would have been our ending inventory. To get our cost of goods sold, well, it's the cost of goods available for sale minus the 30. I don't want you to just type in 32. I know you can do that in your head. I don't even want you to use 62 and 30 in your formula. I want you to click on the cell. That's what I mean by a cell reference. So you're going to go equal, click on the 62, minus, click on the 30. So you can see in the formula, it's cells, it's not numbers. And that's helpful when you go and you change the number, the formula will update. So that's why it should be easier to do the FIFO and the LIFO after you've done the average cost, because you should just be able to copy the sheet into the next sheet and then just update ending inventory. And then if you've built formulas, it'll update all the way through. So that's what I mean. And then on the income statement, when we put in cost of goods sold, instead of just typing in 32, I want you to use a cell reference where you go equal, and you come click on the cost of goods sold number and hit enter. So that's what I mean by cell references.